Hey, this is Ed. I'm out here at Hye Spring Ranch. We're out near Fredericksburg in Hye, Texas. We're here checking out this new community, which is a collection of tiny homes. I don't know if they're really tiny. The biggest is only 1,200 square feet though. So you can call it what you will. These are not tiny homes like you think on wheels, right? Portable kind. These are fully grounded on foundations. These are high-end kind of luxury tiny homes. And this is a full STR community. Every unit in this community can be a short-term rental. They're all going to be managed by Cozy, and that will allow your guests to have full access to all the amenities: the pool, the lazy river, the clubhouse, the dog park, the amenities, the pickleball court that they're talking about doing. And this is just a stone's throw from Fredericksburg, one of the most popular, definitely the second best winery in the United States. Not winery, just area for winemaking. They have lots of wineries here, and breweries and distilleries, and it's a lot of fun. If you haven't been a bachelor or bachelorette in a while, you may not have come to Fredericksburg, but I guarantee you there are tons of those parties every weekend. So come with me, let's take a quick little journey around the neighborhood.
Walk-up way to the front. This is standard. These boxes on the front of the house and these boxes, those are an upgrade from the box around the tree.
Okay, these planting boxes, yeah.
Yeah.
So you said, again, I didn't get it on camera, but you said every unit will have two-car driveway, carport, essentially, but no structure.
Right, there'll be no structure.
All
And
right.
they're not, like, people ask, can we do something about that? No, because people can get real creative with carport stuff.
Sure.
And we don't want that.
I mean, I just do a solar carport, right? That's real popular. So this, I'll sacrifice wet socks if that's the way it goes.
I've left here in quite a bit of mud before.
It's never going to come off. Let me do a quick I'll run around outside and then.
Yeah, right on.
So these are going to have what, like a 10-foot lot easement?
Lots are going to vary. They're anywhere from a tenth of an acre to a quarter acre.
Mm-hmm.
There is no fencing, so everything will be open. This sod that was laid down was for the model's purposes. There is not going to be sod or an irrigation system. It'll be more of what you see as the natural grass kind of a side. They're going to bring that in.
They're going to bring it in, so there will be no requirement to cut it short.
Right. HOA will take care of maintenance of the yards.
Right.
All of them are going to have this screened-in patio. The way we walked up, your main entrance will be to the right. That'll be primarily on all of the units. As your entry will be on the right, and that's also to help with privacy, because they are kind of close together. So we don't want eyes looking into other people's.
And so, like this metal.
Yeah, patinas.
Patina metal. That's like a standard.
Yeah, this is a standard. I'll let you know what upgrades are,
Yeah.
but for the most part, you'll see standards. The screened-in patio is a standard. The fan out here, and like I said, everything enters to the right. There are some exceptions where we'll be able to flip it when it betters the view. You get the hill country, get something of that nature, and you don't want it on the right side.
Right. I'm assuming all the floor plans are set up so that since they all open to the right, you kind of are exposed on the right side, right?
Yeah. So.
And the left side is kind of blocked off for privacy.
Yeah, it's to add to the privacy of the when you are sitting out, and it'll make sense when we go to the lantana.
Yeah.
This is our dark color scheme. So you get a choice of a light color scheme or a dark color scheme. That will include the green backsplash, the dark color on the bar top, countertops, and also in the bathroom when you go. The white oak wood floors is an upgrade. Otherwise, you're going to get the finished concrete, which you'll see in the other unit as well. This furniture is one of the packages that you can buy. It is 4 hands.
Okay.
And that is what our promotion is right now until the 15th. If you contract before the 15th, you'll have a choice of 2 of the packages, which carry about a $27,000 value.
Okay.
So you do have, this is kind of an office space that is going to be a standard I know that people that have bought this floor plan are looking to rip this out, put a bench, stool, and a table here, so you have more of a formal sitting area.
That makes sense. I'm gonna get back here so you can kind of see the space. Yeah.
So this is the kind of a mutt area. People are also becoming creative to take this whole thing out, since the wall does end right here. It opens this space to be big and to put a spiral staircase going into the upstairs.
Oh.
And I'll show you why, because this is how you do it.
Oh, that is the design. Yeah.
Yeah. So you do have your stackable down here. You can do full size, and then your tankless is on the other side over there.
Wow, that's really.
You do have a slider on the back, and you have a slider. I mean, you can go all the way around the screen and porch and come in through the other slider to the open air patio. I'll get out of your way.
So I'm guessing we're not actually can't call this a bedroom.
Cannot call this a bedroom. This is just a loft space, and it is almost 300 square feet.
But I'm 5'11" and I'm standing adjacent to the wall, so it's good head height.
Yeah, it's not one of those where you think loft like you're going to be bending down. You do as you get closest to the wall, but if you wanted to put a Murphy bed up here, if you wanted to make this a gaming room, put the TV up here, plenty of space for all of that. That is going to be going away. That's not something that's going to become standard anymore.
Okay.
It comes with the millwork, so this is kind of your closet area. So you would have hanging up clothes, and a couple of drawers. You have extra drawer space underneath the bed frame, which also comes standard.
So the bed frame is standard?
Bed frame is standard. This is all standard.
Okay.
There is a package that you can buy with the mattresses and all the linens that come with it, if you wanted to. Otherwise, you would definitely get the framing and the closet.
Okay, and now talk about this. I'm sure the hot tub is not standard, but is this spot out here?
Yeah, so when you get the hot tub, they will pour the additional slab, fence it depending on how the privacy is of the lot you bought, and then that is exactly what the hot tub will look like.
Nice. Love that kind of hot tub. I don't know if everyone does, but I do.
It's cool. Aesthetically, it matches, it just stays on brand with everything that's out here. It's really neat.
Sure, and you have direct access right out to the hot tub.
Correct, from the master. And whether you get the hot tub or not, you still will have access out to the open air porch.
Right, okay. And so this bedroom, you'll share the bath.
Correct, so they all have one bathroom. Let me turn the lights on.
Yeah, turn those lights on. Oh, look good. So shower, tub combo, all wet area, I'm guessing. So you can have all the fun you want in here.
Yes. Splish splash, bath, shower, the whole 9 yards. This is an upgrade to carry this tile all the way across into the water closet. Otherwise, it would just be the finished concrete. It would stop here at the.
Yeah. So across here is the glass enclosed water closet. That's standard?
Yes.
Okay. So no walls. That actually saves you a little bit of room. It's neat.
Yeah.
But so if you don't do the upgrade and you stop the tile there, it will be this one?
It will be the finished concrete.
Oh, finished concrete. Yeah. You said that and I just didn't.
That's okay. That's all right.
Okay. And the other bedroom is probably very similar?
Yeah, so this bedroom is going to be a queen size bed. And then you still get the closet space on the sides. They kind of made it with a pull out, could end up being a little end table if you wanted to set stuff up, or you can pull it out if you need more space.
So could you have it done without the built-ins?
Yeah,
because you could definitely put a king here. It'd be small.
Yeah, it is something that Eli would definitely listen to.
Right.
Because this isn't like a master plan community, there is a little bit more flexibility in what they can do. Pulling off this and not putting in the closet space is probably something they could easily do.
I mean, I don't know who would want it, but there may be somebody that wants bunks in here instead, right?
True.
And they could do that too.
Yeah, you could do that too.
Plenty of head space.
But the windows, like I said, the window is up there. Same in the master, and in the bathroom, there's the shaded window that is going horizontally or vertically. And then this is the only open one because of egress purposes on this side, but it blocks the view from your neighbor from being able to seeing in and then them seeing out.
Right. So it's purposely built so that you have all your exposure on one side.
Correct.
Yeah, makes sense.
So when they are allowing you to flip to enter on the left side, it's in the circumstances where on the left side is actually just going to be because it is an open air space or it's the hill country view or something of that nature.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.